Hey everyone, Alex here with ToolRev, and tonight we're looking at the extendable metal support rod from Task. This is their T7-4500. It's the medium size standard duty. It extends from 5 foot 3 inches to 10 feet, and it can hold 132 pounds at 90 degrees. I use this mostly for installing cabinets. Really easy to use these. You just click the lever and bring it up to whatever height you want, and it slots in to these little grooves right here, and then you could push the pin to lock it in. And this is the 13.5 inch soft topper. They also have a 27 inch soft topper. I had to buy this separately. The topper that it comes with is this 2x3, 2 inch by 3 inch gripper top, and you can also get the same texture in an 8 inch. And then they have lots of accessories. You can get extensions for this, and the extensions look exactly like the extensions for my DeWalt laser pole, which is what this is from. And this actually does go onto here, so you can use these same fittings on here. I don't know what the weight capacity would be using those though. And someone mentioned that they use this pole for their lasers. And so all you would do is take it, bring it up to the ceiling, click it as close as you can get, and then twist it up, and then there it is, you're locked in. So you got a nice pull there. And then if you have a magnetized laser, just set that on there. And now you got your laser pole. Now there's going to be a little bit of an issue right here, which is why for laser work I'll probably stick with the DeWalt laser pole, because you can slide the bracket from top to bottom unobstructed. But this would work in a pinch, and Task also sells brackets that hold lasers and lights, and there's all kinds of third-party brackets that clip onto poles. A pole is just a great tool to have. And this is a great one. Nice and sturdy. I've had this for 3 years now, and it still works great, no problems. So that's my review, guys. Hope this helps you out, and I'll see you next time.